Bad start to the morning. What's up, everybody? Weird way to start a video, but we've got a flat tire on the bucky and we've been sitting here since about 5:30, and then my lock that holds the spare wheel key broke inside the lock, so it's just been bad luck. So we're waiting for someone that's going to fetch an axle so we can cut the bolt and get the wheel changed and get on our way to the EBASS leg 3 at Loskop Dam. So yeah, not a great start. Yeah, thank you to these two gentlemen who saved our day. Thank you very much. If it wasn't for these guys, we'd be still sitting here waiting for roadside assistance. Finally on the water.
Made it.
Here with Salman, and we are doing the EBASS leg 3. Zaid couldn't make it. Yeah, had a bit of a punch as you saw at the beginning of the video, but we're finally on the water, and let's get fishing and try and get started. What's the time? Like 8:30? 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. We've managed to get on the water. Anyhow, wish us luck, hit those thumbs up, and let's go catch some fish. Where is the net, dude? This blue. Eh? Yeah, another one like that one we caught. So at least if we can get back like that.
Oh yes. Not yet.
No. Small guy. But I saw it.
Yeah.
It was so cool. Oh. That was pretty cool to see. But it's not a keep. No, it's not even a live well fisher. Beter one, not beter one.
I don't have all packets of us.
Keep spitting them out. But I got the smaller one, the other one's still there. So much fun. Oh my word, that was cool. That was so cool. I watched them bite it.
You saw him come up together.
Yeah, I don't know if it looks like it. We'll have to check now. Oh my god, that was awesome. You got the other one? And it's a bigger piece. It looked like it was bigger in the picture. Shit, the other one looked bigger, eh? That was super cool. I got that on camera. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
That was lekker, dude. That was proper chasing the fish, dropping it by them, and then twitch, and then boom! She came and wellabammed me.
Yep, there's one coming up. There's fish in the tree. You see it?
I'm seeing that movement.
The tree from chocolate over it. A little reaction.
I don't think it's big, but might feel like a keeper. That was cool.
Nice.
Yeah, it's definitely one for the tank. Phew. Crazy day. Tough day. Crazy start to the morning. It has been hectic. Managed to get 5 fish, but nothing great. I think it was a 2.8 or something kilo bag. It's the best we can do, but let's see prize giving, see how everyone did. There was 1 or 2 decent fish in the revival tank, so I think some guys caught black. I heard there was an 8 kilo bag, so I'm sure there was a good couple of good bags. Anyhow, let's see how the prize giving goes.